today we would be talking about set, S-E-T, as promised. So I'm sure you might have learned about dictionary before. So it was an unordered collection, right? Over here, a set is an unordered collection of items. Every set element is unique. That means you cannot have any duplicate in set. Okay, let me just quickly make a new Python file name as set. Okay, and let me also make it a little big so that you can easily see it. All right, now, yeah, so I was talking to you about set. So a set is an unordered collection of items. Every set element is unique. All right, that means, what I mean by that we will not get any duplicates out of it. Okay, so however, set is mutable. We can add and remove items from them, but it is placed all in elements in all those curly brackets which I showed you before, right? So now let me just show you a small thing over here, that is, if we talk about set, we would be again using empty curly braces. That means creating an empty set is a bit tricky. Empty curly braces are required. To make a set without any element, we use the set function without any argument. All right, so let's just jump into set and let's write down a few codes. So simply, if I try writing something like this, my set 1, 2, 3, and let me write down one more 3 because one more 2, because you remember, if I said right now, that is, you cannot make any duplicates over here. Okay, so my set. Okay, let's see what this does. It gives me 1, 2, 3. It omits the 2. That means the extra one, which is the repeated one, has been removed. All right, so this is how you do it, talking about set. Now, definitely we cannot access set elements using indexing, but yes, we can do something, that is, we can set the mixed data types. Okay, we can set the mixed data types. And what do I mean by, what on earth do I mean by that, is that you can just add anything and everything you want over here, and if you run it, it will work as it worked. Okay, all right, so we can also make a set from the list. Okay, you can do anything you want. Definitely, you just need to work a little bit on it. You can also modify a set, okay, which we will be learning in the next session. Okay, you can remove and do many more stuff with it. So let's actually meet in the next session for this. And I really appreciate if you practice this little small thing, and let's meet in the next session. Till then, have a great day.